Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. So this video is going to be for the Leo sun, moon and rising sign from the mid-month of the July till the mid-month of the August. This is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. So if it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Okay. In this video, I'm gonna take a look at your past situation, present situation, future situation. I'm gonna clarify some of the cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice. Leo. What's happening with Leo? In the recent past, we have the Wheel of Fortune, Five of Cups, the Tower. In the present, we have the Knight of Cups, Knight of Swords, the Judgment. In the future, we have the Four of Wands, Page of Wands, Four of Swords. The challenge for the week, the Hermit. So challenge for the week, Leo, is to stop thinking about a situation, just start acting upon it. If you guys are thinking a lot about a connection, about an opportunity, about the situation, then the challenge is to end it and take some action, come to a conclusion. Okay, so in the recent past, there's the Wheel of Fortune, Five of Cups, Tower moment. There was an ending happened in the recent past with someone, which was literally gave you the real pain. Many of you experienced the real pain in the recent past. Many of you thought of let go the situation, stop regretting and change the situation. You wanted to change the environment, the depression environment. In the present, there's a Knight of Cups, there's a Knight of Swords, Judgment. Someone is offering you an emotional connection, Leo, in the present situation. I say you are acting upon it towards in order to realize what they're up to, what this person is offering you. You're getting some realization behind this offer. In the future, there's a Four of Wands, there's a Page of Wands, Four of Swords. There's a happy moment I can see in the future. You are being so happy with a connection with a person, or being so happy in yourself. You are feeling the happy moment at your home for many of you. I see you're taking some action towards something new, about something new opportunity which is sparkling your mind, which is like bringing you a lot of excitement in your life. You're taking action towards it in order to come out of being in a steady state, being in a thinking state. You just want to take some action towards something and stop thinking about it. Okay, that's very good, Leo, for you. I'm going to clarify the Hermit. So Leo, the Hermit. The Hermit is clarified by the Nine of Cups, Five of Swords, Five of Cups. It's related to something attached to your mind, Leo, something attached to you, some sort of connection with someone that really ended up very badly. It's like your head is still on it. You're analyzing every situation in order to get some decision towards it. Many of you are being on yourself, just being happy the way you are. You're not taking any action towards this past. You're like suffering in your own. You're not ready to open up to anyone. You're being so introvert these days, finding happy in your life. You're like satisfied the way you are. The challenge is you have to come out of it, come out of being in your nutshell. So you could be having some fight with someone, okay? You could have had in the recent past. That's why you're still thinking about that fight. Someone was stood for themselves. Someone wasn't ready to compromise with you. You have been gone through a breakup with someone. Then you're still thinking about it. The challenge is you have to come out of the situation. You have to get some conclusion and stop being attached to it. There's a challenge for the week, Leo. In the recent past, I'm gonna clarify the Five of Cups, you finally acted to you finally took some action in order to let go the situation, let go the attachment, let go the sad situation with that person, let go what you are regretting. The Five of Cups is clarified with the Page of Swords, Eight of Swords, Ten of Cups. Okay, many of you were spying on your ex, spying on someone from your past. You are literally looking at them. Okay, this person is, you are like stalking them on Instagram. What is this person up to? Is this person with someone? You were like spying on them constantly. It's finally, I see you just ended the situation, ended looking towards that person. Finally you cleared all the confusion in the recent past, whatever you had. It's like finally you ended up, stopped spying on them, stopped acting like mentally blockage, whatever the confusion you had about this person, some sort of situation brought end of the confusion. You just wanted happiness in your life. You just took some action in order to get the real happiness with this person. Finally, I see you stopped regretting it and you just ended in order to get some happiness. What is the message from the Tower? Many of you, it's like you just forgot about the situation about which you were regretting. That's very good. There was a growth in the recent past. The Tower is clarified by the King of Cups, the Two of Cups, Page of Cups. I feel many of you, it's like you took action towards that person in order to change the situation. It's like you might have offered love connection to them, in order to let go your pain. It's like you went back behind them in the recent past. You didn't want to let go this connection you had with this person. Many of you, it's like many of you felt satisfied that you offered something to this person in the recent past, which brought a lot of happiness, which changed many of your happiness. Many of it's like you came out of being sad because finally you offered them something. There was a situation it's like changed everything in the recent past after you taking some action towards it. Okay, in the present, I'm going to clarify the Knight of Cups. Someone is offering, I feel this is you offering a love connection, or someone offering some of you in the present. The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Page of Wands. Whoever coming your way, this could be you offering an emotional attachment to someone in the present situation, Leo. I feel this is you. This person is kind of not taking any action. Your partner, the one whom you're offering, this person is being hesitant. They're kind of guarding up. They really are like guarding up themselves. Instead of taking action, instead of coming to some sort of decision, this person is like guarding up themselves instead of taking any action towards it. Someone is kind of weighing between two options, or they're literally not taking any action towards this offer in the present situation. This could be you or this could be your partner. I'm going to clarify the Knight of Swords for you, the message from the Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords is clarified with the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot. I feel this is your partner in the present situation, Leo. They know whatever you're offering them is something big. This is something you really mean it. You really mean what you're offering to this person, but they're rejecting your offer. Okay, they're not accepting. They're like guarding on themselves. They really want to take some action, but you really want a brand new beginning with this person, but this person is not ready to accept. Instead of, this person is kind of moving away from the situation. there's some realization. Someone is going to realization in the present situation. What is this? I feel your person is going through some sort of realization about this offer. The Judgment is clarified by the 10 of Wands, the Tower, Lovers. Your person thinks, this could be you or this could be your person. Someone thinks in the present moment, the situation, the offer, whatever you are giving them or that person is offering you, they think there's a lot of responsibility attached to it. There's a need of lot of work to be done in order to move on, in order to accept this offer. This offer, whatever it is, there's a lot of burden behind it. This could be that someone for you is like you going behind your ex, the one with whom you were emotionally connected. There was a big breakdown happened in the recent past. I can already see which like distracted you away. That's why this person is not ready to accept your offer. They think again the situation might end up the same way which it had in the past. This person is kind of attached to that negative thinking. Okay, though they want to come back to, or get back together, it's like they are not accepting in the present moment because they think there's a lot of burden attached to it. I'm going to clarify the 4 of Wands for you. Many of you are being happy in the future. This could be being happy with your partner or being happy on your own. Okay, you are taking some action in the future. The 4 of Wands is clarified by the Fool, the Ace of Swords, the Justice. Okay, the thing is, many of you, after getting some clarity about the situation, about the future situation, you're like jumping into being happy in your own. It's like you are leaving behind whatever happened in the past after realizing something, after going to realization, after getting some clarity. It's like you are finally letting go the past and being happy in your own in the future. I'm going to clarify the 4 of Swords for you. Someone is coming out of being stuck situation. Someone is taking some action finally in the future. The 4 of Swords is clarified by the 9 of Swords, 8 of Wands, the Devil. Okay, you just want to detach from situation which was being bad for you, which was being toxic for you, which was giving you a lot of pain. Okay, I finally see you are detaching from it. You are finally detaching from the situation. Everything is happening very fast. Okay, that you are finally, after going to there's some communication happening between you and this person in the future, and it's finally like you are deciding to ending up the situation with this person because this person was giving you a lot of pain. Trust me, the lot of pain. It was involved with a lot of pain. You could be dealing with a Capricorn or an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Finally, I see you are detaching from that person, coming out of being stuck situation and really moving on, being happy in your own, being happy, being single. That's very great. I finally see you are coming through some decision, coming out of thinking situation. There's a challenge for the week, many of you. You have to stop fighting for this person again and again. Okay, you are enough to be happy. You really have to let go the situation in the past. Just stop dwelling on it. So the advice for the week, Leo, is emotions are running high at this situation. Your emotions are running high. It's like again and again you're feeling the pain. Again and again it is taking back to this person. I know everything is happening, but you need to understand that this person is not being happy with you. I know it's very hard to understand, but still, this person is not being happy. Then this person is feeling burdened. Then I think you really have to let go of this person in the situation. That is all I have for the Leo people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.